Hello dear students, in last lecture exercise 6.1 question number 13 is completed. Now next in question number 14. If all the arrangements from using all the letter of the following words arranged in the order of dictionary, then what will be the rank of the word? Underline, arrange in the order of dictionary. So first word is given paint. Okay. So first of all, alphabetically arrangement of all the letter of the word Pintu. Alphabetical order of the all letter of the word Pintu will be. Okay. आपको ये वर्ड्स दिया है Pintu. Okay. इसको alphabetically क्या करेगा? Arrangement. So first I N P E and Q. Okay. So alphabetically order of all the letter of the word Pintu will be I N P T U. Clear? Alphabetical order. Now next, one by one selection. Our first letter P. P is the third place. Okay. So now next, arrangement with arrangement with I in the first place. I in the first place. Will be. Okay. I repeated one time. So 1P1 and remaining NPTU. Remaining 4 letter. Arrangement will be 4P. 4 ways. So 1P1 into 4P4. 4P4 means 4 factorial and 4 factorial answer multiplication of 4 to 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. So 24 ways are possible. Clear? Now next, first place and arrangement with N in the first place. Will be okay and one time repeated and remaining I P T U, rest of 4 letter. So same 1P1 into 4P4, 24 ways. Now next, in first place P our first letter, the word P. So alphabetically written I in the second place, yes. Next alphabetically third and yes possible. Next T and last U. So direct words find out Pintu. Arrangements with P in the first place. Okay. So P letter already selected. Alphabet is now next second letter I. Our second letter was I. I in the second place. Next alphabetically, third place N. In pin two words, third place already N is given. N in the third place. Alphabetically next, fourth letter T. In our words, pin two, fourth letter already T. T in the fourth place. And last letter U in the fifth place. Will be 5 letters. So 5 times 1p, 1 all letter repeated 1 time. 1p1 into 1p1 into 1p1 into 1p1 into 1p1. So total 1 way. Okay. First 24 ways. Now 24. Next one. Now write down dictionary order of the word pin two. Dictionary order of the word pin two. 24 is 24 way. 24 plus 24 okay. Plus 1 way. Answer is 49. Okay. First of all, in words is given into alphabetical arrangement. I N P T U. One by one selection. I in the first place, I in the first place, P in the first place, and directly words find out P. Clear? So you completed for the question 1. Now next. Second question, Nuri. Number 2. In Nuri words, all letters arranged in alphabetically order first of all. So write down alphabetical order of the all the letters of the word Nuri will be the alphabetical arrangement I N R U. Okay, I N R U alphabetical arrangement. Now next, in our first place, I arrangement will be our first letter Nuri words in N. Write down arrangements will I in the first place. Will be I. Letter repeated one time and remaining N R U 3 letters. So 1p1 into 3p3. So total 3 factorial. 3 factorial means 6 paper possible. Now next, first place n. In our words Nuri, and in the first place, and is already selected. Alphabetically written, second place I. In Nuri word, second place U. Write down arrangement with. And in the first place, and I in the second place. Will be 1p1 and one time repeated later. I also one time, and rest of two later R and U. 2p2. Total 2 place. Now next, in second place R. In our words Nuri, second place U. Write down arrangement with. And in the first place, R in the second place, and R in the second place will be n one time, so 1p1. R is also one time, 1p1, and remaining two letters I and U, so 2p2. Two ways. Now next, in second letter U. Our words Nuri, second letter already U. Alphabetically third place I. Our words Nuri, third place R. Not possible. Write down arrangements with. And in the first place, U in the second place, and I in the third place. Will. So N, U and I, all three letter repeated one time and remaining R. So 4 times 1p1. 1p1 into 1p1 into 1p1 into 1p1. Total 1 way. Now next, in third place R and fourth place I. Nuri. Write down arrangement with. And in the first place, U in the second place, R in the third place, and I in the fourth place. Will be all 4 letter repeated single one time. So 1p1 4 times, write down, is equal to 1p. Clear? So dictionary order of the word Nuri. Dictionary order of the word Nuri. Okay. 6 repeated one time. 2 repeated 1, 2 times. And 1 repeated 2 times. So answer is 12. Okay. So dictionary order of the words Nuri be 12. Okay, 12 नंबर पे क्या पॉइंट होगा नूरी. अरेंजमेंट करें नूरी वर्ड्स को वन बाय वन. तो 12 नंबर पर आपने नूरी वर्ड्स 4 वर्ड लेटर इज गिवन. so 4p4 24 वेज में 12 नंबर पर सबने करो वर्ड्स नूरी. ये कंप्लीटेड फॉर क्वेश्चन 2. Now next number 3. Third question is Neerav, number 3. My words Neerav, first of all, alphabetical arrangement. Okay. Alphabetical order of the all letters of the needle will be alphabetical arrangement. First A, I, L, N and R. So alphabetical arrangement of all the letters of the needle will be E, I, L and R. Alphabetically arrangement. Now next, one by one letter selected. First place I or N in the first place. Fourth letter. Right now, arrangement with A in the first place. Will be A in the first place. So remaining 1, 2, 3, 4 letter. 1p1 into 4p4. 4 factorial means 24 ways are possible. Now next, I in the first place, or first letter is N. Arrangement with I in the first place. Will be 1p1 into remaining 4 letter 4p4. 24 ways. Okay. I in the first place. Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4 letter 24 ways. Now next, L in the first place. Arrangement with L in the first place will be 1p1. L is one time repeated. Remaining 1, 2, 3 and 4 later. Rest of 4p4. 24. Now next, N in the first place. Our first letter is already selected N. So alphabetically written. Now in second place A. Okay, not the second place in our words. Neither. So write down arrangement with N in the first place and A in the second place. Will be okay. N repeated one time, A repeated one time. So 1p1 into 1p1. Remaining I, L, R. 3 letters, 3 times. 1p1 into 1p1 into 3p3. 3 factorial means total 6 ways are possible. Now next, in second place I. In neither word, second place I. So alphabetically written, third place A. Arrangement with N in the first place I in the second place and A in the third place will be okay. N, I and A. N, I and A. All 3 letters repeated one time. And remaining 2 letters L and R. So 3 times 1p1 into 2 letters remaining 2p2. Total 2 ways. Now next, in third place L. Our third place R. Arrangement with N in the first place I in the second place and L in the third place will be 3 times 1p1 into remaining 2 letters 2p2. 2 ways. Now next, in third place R. In our words near third place R, alphabetically 4A, 4A, 5th L. Our next, our nearer words find out. Arrangement with N in the first place I in the second place R in the third place. A in the fourth place. And L in the fifth place. Will be 5 times 1 P1 is equal to 1. Okay, find out. So last, dictionary order of the word. These are find out. Dictionary order of the word mirror is equal to 24 repeated 3 times. 24 plus 24 plus 24. 6 repeated 1 time. 2 repeated 2 times. And 1 repeated 1 time. Total 24, 24, 24. 72 plus 6. 78, 80, 82, 83. So dictionary order of the word mirror will be 83. Okay, alphabetically first of all arrangement one by one, all letters here. Completed question 3. Now next, question number 4. Summa. Okay. In summon words, first of all alphabetically arrangement, then after find the dictionary order of the word summa. Now first of all arrangement alphabetically. Alphabetical order of the all letters of the word summa will alphabetical arrangement. First of all A, AMNSU. Okay, alphabetically order of the word summa. Now next, first place A, arrangements with A in the first place, will be A, one time repeated remaining M and SU 4 letter. 1p1 into 4p4. 4p4 means 4 factorial. 4, 3, 2, 1 multiplication 24. Now next letter M. M in the first place. In our word Suman, first place S letter S. Arrangement with M in the first place, will be M one time remaining 4 letter. 1p1 into 4p4. 4 factorial same 24 ways. Now next N in the first place. Our first letter is S. Arrangement with N in the first place, will be N one time remaining 4 letter. 1p1 into 4p4, 4 factorial 24. Now next S. In our word Suman, S in the first place. So first place already select, alphabetically written. And second place A. In our word Suman, second place U is. Next arrangement with S in the first place, and A in the second place, will be 1p1 into 1p1. S is already selected. A one time remaining 1, 2 and 3 later. 3p3. 3 factorial means 6. Now in second place M. Arrangements with S in the first place, and M in the second place, will be S and M both repeated one time remaining 3 later. 3p3. 1p1 into 1p1 into 3p3. 3 factorial means 6 way. 3 into 2 into 1. Now next in second place N. Arrangements with S in the first place, and N in the second place, will be okay. S and N both one time, rest of 3 letters. 3p3. So 2 times 1p1 into 3p3. 3 letters, 6 with. Now next, in second place, U. In word Suman, second place U. So alphabetically, third place, A. So arrangement. With S in the first place, U in the second place, and A in the third place. Will be okay. S, U, and A. All three letters repeated one time, single time. So 1P1 three times. Remaining two letters, 2P2. Three times 1P1, and remaining two letters, 2P2. Total two ways. Now next. Third place, M. M in the third place, selected. Alphabetically, A in the fourth place, and last N means Suman words. Find out next arrangement. Arrangements with S in the first place, U in the second place, N in the third place, A in the fourth place, and N in the fifth place. All five letters repeated single one time. So 5 times 1P1. One page. Okay, clear? Now, dictionary order of the word Suman. Dictionary order of the word Suman. Okay, check. 24. 24 repeated 3 times. +24 +24 +24. Okay, 6 repeated 1, 2, and 3. 6 also repeated 3 times. 6 +6 +6. Now next 2. 1 time and 1 also 1 time. 2 next one. Okay. 24 24 24. 72 72 +6. 78 +6. 84 +6. 90 +2. 92 +1. 93. So alphabetically arrangement of the word Suman will be 93. Okay. Here completed for question 4. Now next, in question number 15. How many arrangement of the letters of word slow can be made so that all vowels are together? Underline. All vowels are together. Slow. All vowels A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Two vowels. Rest of 1, 2, 3, 4 components. Two vowels are together. बनने एक साथ ही जावा ओके 1 2 3 4 5 6 suppose यहाँ O and E okay two words remaining four component 1 2 3 4 and two words combined one unit. 5. The total permutation one, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 unit 5B 5 and both the vowels are interchanged in first place or in the second place. Both are interchanged. 2B 2. 5B 5 means 5 factorial. 2p2 means 2 factorial. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 2 factorial 2 into 1 120 into 2 total 240 ways are possible. And last question for the exercise 6.1 question number 16. 7 speakers A B C D E F G are invited to deliver a speaking program. Okay, total 7 members invited to deliver a speaking program. Speakers have to deliver speech one after the other, one by one. Take speech of interest and repeat the speech of power. Three members, one by one. In how many ways speeches of 7 speakers can be arranged if the speaker B has to deliver his speech immediately after the speaker A? Underline, speaker A has to deliver his speech immediately after the speaker A. Okay. The 7 speakers છે બટ શું કહે છે કે B ક્યારે સ્પીચ આપે છે જ્યારે A સ્પીચ આપીને નીચે બેસી જાય ત્યાર પછી B આપે પહેલા B આપે ને પછી A સ્પીચ આપે એવું ક્યારે પોસિબલ બનતું નથી. Total 7 speakers. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Total 7 speakers. One by one. So A and B combine one unit. And remaining 5 speakers, 5 unit, total 6 unit. A and B are not possible for interchange. Total permutation six P6 into 1P1 into 1P1. So previous question ma A and O both are interchange are possible. Poles are together. O in first place, A in second place. A in first place, O in second place. But here speaker A and B are not possible for interchange. B has delivered speech immediately after speaker A. A speech આપીને નીચે બેસે પછી કોણ આપે છે સ્પીકર B. પહેલા B આપે ને પછી A આપે એવું પોસિબલ બનતું નથી. એટલા માટે A 1P1 B 1P1. Clear? So 6 factorial into 1 factorial into 1 factorial. 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 1 into 1. Answer is 7. 20 ways are possible for B in speech leader after speaker A. Okay, so you completed question number 16.